Tired of last-minute takeout and wasted groceries? Master meal planning with Google Calendar in under 5 minutes. First, we'll create recurring events for each meal. Then, add notifications to remind you to cook. Finally, organize with descriptions. Start by clicking the Create button to begin adding a new event. Then, click on Event. For meal planning, events are ideal because they help organize your eating schedule and send timely reminders. Now, enter a meal name as the event title. For example, lunch, grilled chicken salad. Next, click the date picker to set the date for your meal. Select a date from the calendar that pops up. Then, click the time picker to set the time you plan to eat. Click on Does Not Repeat to prevent the event from repeating. If you want it to repeat, you can choose a repeat schedule instead. Then, choose a repeat schedule from the options provided. Click on More Options to access additional settings. Now, click the Notification drop-down menu. You can add a notification to remind you before mealtime. Click on Notification to select it. Then, click the Time drop-down menu to choose when you want to be notified. Add a description if needed, like any recipe notes or ingredients you want to remember. Finally, click Save to create the event, and you're all set for your meal planning. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.